Good morning. Today we are going to start with the basic Linux commands. So when we are logging to our system, we are getting a system prompt which will be get displayed like SAMI at web app colon tilde dollar, where SAMI it is the name of the user, web app it is the host name of the server, till it indicates the name of the current directory. As we have login by the SAMI, it is showing the name of the home directory. So by default, the home directory name would be /home /SAMI and then the dollar. Now we are ready to enter the Linux commands. When we want to close the terminal, we have to use the exit command. So command is nothing but any binary executable file which resides under the bin directory or under the sbin directory. Commands are case sensitive. By default, whenever we enter any command on a command prompt, it is going to display the output on a console. So commands can be displayed with some specific output or with some input. So in that case, we have to specify some options or the arguments. Options are nothing but any character which is preceded with a hyphen is an option, whereas for the execution of a command, we have to give the arguments as the input or the output. So here we have some set of the commands. For example, pwd, which is printing the current working directory without option or the arguments. The second example is cd, where the option is not given but the argument is given as a /home/debre. So this is the argument. In third example, ls, it is the command which is used to display the files and the directories, where the options are preceded with hyphen. So hyphen a, hyphen l, two options are given but the argument is not given. In next example, along with ls command, two arguments are combined with each other and the argument is also given. So it might be possible, instead of specifying the multiple arguments separately, we can combine them and just we can use a single hyphen symbol. Now what are the arguments we are going to provide? That can be the standard input, standard output, or sometimes any current directory also. In third example, in ls command, we have not specified any directory name. So by default, it takes the current directory as an argument. So just we will elaborate the ls command in detail. So this is the output get displayed whenever we have entered ls command with the options hyphen a and l. So hyphen a, it is an option which is used to display the hidden files. Hidden files are always starts with the dot symbol. So here we do have dot, double dot, dot, bash underscore history, some files which are the hidden files. So the output of ls-l will be always displayed in a field wise. So the first field specifies the file directory type and the file permission. The second field specifies the number of the hard links. The third field specifies the name of the person who has created the file. The fourth field specifies the group name. Fifth field specifies the size of the file in terms of bytes. The next field specifies the date and the time of creation, and the last field specifies the name of the file or directory. Whenever we are saying Linux operating system, in Linux, any file can be a directory also. So directory, it is a kind of the file itself. We can have the block device files, character device files, sockets or links. So how we are going to distinguish among these different types of the files? So that can be get done by using the first character. If we see here, the first column indicates D for the first two files, whereas hyphen in the third file. So D stands for the directory, hyphen stands for the regular file, B stands for block device file, C for character device file, L for link, and S for socket. Then after that, in the first field, second, third, fourth column specifies the read, write, execute permissions of the owner. Then after that, R -x indicates permission of the group member, and the last r-x indicates permission for the others. So read, write, execute, these are the basic permissions which are given to any kind of the file. If the permission is absent, hyphen is indicated. Read is used to perform the read operation on a given file. Write is used to modify the file, and X is used for the execution of a file. Now we'll see how to execute some basic commands on the terminal. So this is our terminal window. Now we'll see the output of ls command. Ls, it is the command which is used to display the files and the directories under our current directory. So blue file name indicates the directories and white file name indicates the regular files. So now I want to see the output of the ls-l as in a long listing. So here we'll see the output is get displayed in a field wise. So this is first field, second field. The fields are separated by the space. The first line always indicates total, and 76 it indicates the number of the blocks used for storage of these files and the directories. The first field contains 10 characters, where D it is the file name, file type, RWX these are the three permissions for the group owner, these three permissions for the group members, and these three permissions for the others. 2 it is the hard link count, username, group name, size of the file, date of creation and time, and last indicates the file type. So we'll see what are the basic commands that can be useful for us. If we want to clear our screen, we have to use clear command.